Hi, I'm Louis Ortiz on behalf of Expert Village, and we're back to show you the final preparation for the Beurre Blanc sauce. And all I'm going to do is crank the heat up just a little bit so that we've maintained a simmer on our reduction. And our reduction started off with white wine vinegar and white wine as well as some shallots. We reduced that down. We added 2.5 tablespoons of heavy whipping cream. So the heavy whipping cream has actually reduced down to what we want. And it's kind of this gummy, like a light syrupy consistency, which is really nice. So we're going to go ahead and start throwing in some cold butter pieces here. And what I want to do is, this is a typical French technique, which is mounting with butter. And they use this technique in a lot of different sauces and things. And this one, we're just kind of gently swirl this around so that the whole butter folds into our mix here. And it's going to make this nice, rich, creamy, buttery sauce. But it'll have this nice acid element that'll cut through all these fats because we're using heavy cream and heavy butter, whole butter I should say. And you always want to have an acid ingredient within them to cut through. And the shallots actually add some nice sugar and a little bit of pungency on the inside, which is really nice. I'm going to go ahead and keep swirling this around. If you make a big enough batch of this, you can actually whisk in the butter, but since we have just a smaller batch like we have here, I'm just kind of swirling this around. And I cut smaller pieces of the cold butter so that it would melt evenly. I'll just go ahead and use all that and it'll be a done deal. Crank that fire up just a little bit and we are almost done. And we've broken the video up into sections so that you can see one step at a time. But once you get the hang of it, it really does boil down to about a 3 or 4 minute process. Alrighty. And that, my friends, is the finished product. Really nice, clean, opaque color with a light yellow with some cream mixed in. And I'm just going to keep that on low. And we're going to go ahead and top this off on whatever protein dish we see fit. Again, this goes really well with whitefish, some grilled shrimp even, and also a lot of chicken dishes. So enjoy that.